In few minutes of trading, $700 just made without me not lifting a finger or struggling myself how to open trade. Right, first thing first, make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the video notification so that once we drop an update like this, you're going to be notified. And also, let me take you guys to our official Telegram group. This is where we share signal on the new listed token. Right, for those of you who wants to trade the new listed token, we share signals here. We give you this, and also we also offer this our bot services, which I'm going to take you guys how a lot of people who have been trading with this bot have been making profit since day one they start using this bot, and it has been amazing. It has been a life-changing for them over here, which you can see for yourself. Right, so if you look closely over here, you can see almost $200 was made over here with a crypto trading bot, and this bot trade on any exchange, Bybit, Gate.io, Binance, and lot more. So right, so which you can see all this yourself over here. And shockingly, let me show you something amazing right here. You can see this is $15,000 that was made over right here. So straightly, let's move directly to this board. Right, so all right, so you can see the unified trading account P&L, which you can see today's P&L $700 was actually made. So which you can see in the last 7 days also, you can also see $700, and you can see the cumulative profit $700 also was actually made also. So straightly, let's move to this trading board performance. Right, okay, so right, so let's dive in over here. Okay, first of all, so you can see everything for yourself. Right, so let's go to the view over here. So you can see the view funding. This is unified trading, and you can see $700 was actually made, which I showed you guys earlier. So you can see the trading volume, which is plus 16,916.56 USDT over here. Right, so straightly you can see the P&L ranking over right here for yourself. Right, so now you can see this is Doge USDT, right, and you can see plus $320 over here. This is made by the bot. Right, so over here, so let me take you straightly to the chart, which you can see how the chart is sweet, and you can see this is super amazing. The chart said it all. Right, that the board is actually performing well, so we don't need to tell you. This is not bragging over here. So let's go to the trading details, the open and close trading details over here. So you can see this is Doge USDT over right here. So this is just 6 positions. So let's see what the board gave us, how it opens and how it closed. So you can see close short plus $320 over here, and you can see close long minus $78, and you can see another close short minus $62, and you can see close long plus $144, and you can see over right here again close short minus $59, and you can see another close long plus $134 for yourself. Right, so we don't need to tell you that the board is actually doing well. Indeed, is a crypto trading board that open and close all this position without me not lifting a finger or looking for price discrepancies. Right, so actually you can see for yourself that the robot is doing amazing job over right here. So a lot of people will be asking me, how is this possible? Like I told you guys that you don't need a PC, just with your mobile phone you can get to set up if you want to be seeing the same profit like this. Right, so I'm going to drop the link that in which you are going to use to get this trading board. Immediately use the link to register. I'm going to say that you have registered, then you are going to see buy the license of this board. Right, so absolutely, and you start making consistent profit. So it's not hard, it's just simple. Right, so thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video.